Damn! Mbanje!
Yo, you gonna rip up or one day in my whip, man?
Yeah, boss. Worry not. Almost there. I got you.
Stop talking and move, man. I ain't got the whole day here, right?
Wait, say no more.
Yo, I got that Mary Jane with me, man. It's $100 for a key, man. You know it got some kick in it.
I know you mean business, man. Ain't gonna argue that.
Meet me at the spot, about an hour from now.
For sure.
Like I promised, boss. Can Twembuke Munati. All in good condition.
Alright. Alright. You take a word for it, young man. Keep up the good work, eh?
Alright. Adios, Holmes. Bless. Finna get high tonight.